right, here we go. It's time for the SVA. That's WKDN.
In Chesapeake Bay North of Pools Island, Maryland.
Oh, Lancaster only. Are you serious, bro?
Development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 497 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Cecil, Maryland, and Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and Chesapeake Bay North of Pools Island, Maryland.
Alright, so we got an SVI. Who knows? We might get another one later. There's an SVR for Lancaster County in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania.
Moving towards PHI territory. That's what I want to hear. Maybe. I don't know.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, shipments used, and house. Locations in Texas include Lancaster, Columbia, Middlesex, Willow, Madison, East Petersburg, Lola, Salina, Lancaster, Marksville, Woodstock. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm.
Oh boy.
Do not drive your vehicle through some roadways. Until 5 p.m. for the following county:
Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Nice. So the first SVR today is from CTP instead of PHI. Thank you. What is this? SVI?
Severe thunderstorm watch number 4.
What?
The following counties in New Jersey: Burlington,
SVA! WKDN's going.
The following is a severe thunderstorm watch announcement from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 499, effective until midnight Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Delaware, Kent and Newcastle, and the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunter, Mercer, Monmouth, and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester,
I'm just gonna ask. Nope, they're not gonna relay.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch.
I'm gonna see if WBYN is gonna relay this. I don't think so. Nope.
in Philadelphia and Delaware Bay waters north of East Point, New Jersey to
Okay. Okay, so we now have an SVA for me. We have our first SVA on AM, which is WKDN. Brilliance. Marine warning. It's not north of Pools Island, though. Oh, this is Mount Holly. Okay.
At 5:41 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near
I wonder if WKDN is going to relay a marine warning. Again, I highly doubt it.
or greater.
That's a no.
Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Woodland Beach and Stony Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
That was quick.
The phone.
One of the shortest marine warnings I've ever caught.
This afternoon.
One of the shortest marine warnings I've ever caught. Like 40 seconds. WNG alert.
Central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m.
Let me see if WBYN is going to relay this. I don't think so. I just want to test it. Test it.
Not ahead. I won't tell you that.
Alright, nope, that's bad.
Southburg, Louisville, Houston, Safe Harbor, Lavender, Conestoga, Gordonville, and Birmingham. Stay inside a well-built Heavy rainfall is accompanied with severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties:
Lancaster, Pennsylvania. We're going to try one more time, but I don't believe they're going to relay it. They cover Ephrata. Yeah, no. Flash flood warning for Lancaster County.
Flood warning for Central Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern York County in south
And York.
Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 6:19 p.m.
Flash flood has been observed.
Enforcement reported thunderstorms and heavy rain across the whole area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain.
PHI also just continued the SMW.
1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Water spouts are possible.
Is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lancaster, York, Columbia, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Line, Pride, Dallastown.
Pretty sure they covered for that area. I remember hearing something saying that WBYN covers for them.
Turn around. Don't allow the flooded roads. Most flood gas currently closed. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Here is the delay.
Flash flood warning WNG alert. Oh boy. We're about to get an SVR for Chester County soon.
And the normal low is 70. The record high.
Source: radar indicated.
Tornadoes possible with this storm.
Locations in Texas include Lancaster, Millersville, Willow Street, Red Lion, Paradise, Shrewsbury, Stroudsburg, Cornville, Stewartstown, Glen Rock, Gas, and Delta. Radar has indicated location within these.
Oh no.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, tornadoes can develop.
No.
This includes Interstate 83 for mile markers 0 to 9. Stay inside a well-built structure and circulation windows. Continuous clouds of ground lightning is occurring with these severe thunderstorms. Move indoors immediately. Lighten the oil gauge, ready to go. Remember, if you can wonder, you are forecast to be struck by lightning. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Lancaster,
Pennsylvania, and York. Oh my gosh. I hope everybody's okay in this area. Flash flood warning!
Southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m.
Hello? Are you awake? Oh, that's why.
0.5 inches.
Surely WBYN relays now. Okay, I guess not, but time to start up the AM/FMs.
Thunderstorms producing heavy rain across.
Look at even the length of the planning around.
Mount Holly has issued a flash warning for Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m.
2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing.
Producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard flash flooding caused
Downing Town, Kennett Square,
source radar. Impact.
Oh wait, that's WHYY.
Urban areas. Highways.
Encountering flooded roads. Flood down to current vehicles.
March 26 of Act 17 from
Weather
1.
Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Chester
Cooperating
County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
South Wall.
At 6:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Westchester, Coatesville, Westout, Downing Town, Kennett Square, Oxford, Parkersburg, Westville, Honeybrook.
I need to see if WNG's actually online today.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage currently involves in the flood.
Alright, that's WHYY's.
Is a recurring payment, and
Underton. In
That's WNG's. Miss and Phil. Flash flood warning! IH is marining the marine.
SMW.
KIH is now relaying the SMW.
Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay, North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Hook to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and Little Choptank River, Eastern Maine, Hutchinson River to Boones Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 8:30 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles east of National Harbor to 11 nautical miles northwest of Brooms Island to near Wicomico River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds.
Really,
and
this
waves
alert itself
capsizing
is
their
longer
vessels.
than the KIH
Locations impacted
SMW for
include
Delaware Bay.
Greenwell State Park, Choptank River,
Also,
National Arrows
KIH is
Bridge,
phone line, you can
Tillman
hear it.
Island, Blackownet Point, Cuckold Creek, Taylor's Island, North Beach, Drum Point, Herring Bay, Bloody Point Light, Mattapique, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, James Island, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Eastern Bay, and Chesapeake Beach. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Nice, now marine warning. Flash flood warning! Yup, that's going to be WSDW there. That should be WNG too. WSDW is going. And my Sangene's failing on WNG. Well, time for the IMFMs.
Picked luck.
The expected rainfall rate is 1.5.
Until 11:15 p.m. Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain.
Oh, it was really over. Life was a
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying
Newport, Arden, Cowleyville, Eden, Greenwood.
areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Chester, Swarthmore, Elkman. Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the world area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways.
Why?
Streets,
Why don't you?
and
Why
underpasses, as well as other drainage
is the
and
reception that bad?
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include
Southwest winds.
Oh, WNG's turn to get blasted off.
encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
SVR! I need to listen to this now.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey.
Oh!
Cumberland County in southern New Jersey. East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey. Southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Seabrook Farms or near Bridgeton, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
WWJC's going out?
Name and never strike out with Blue Chew.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, Northern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey, Southeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey until 8 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located in power lines is possible or near Bridgeton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Violent, Bridgeton, Wena, Newfield, Elmer, Shiloh, Franklinville, Victory Lakes, Williamstown, Olivet, Malaga.
Triple header! Triple header, baby! Marine warning now!
Interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
This is not the Pools Island!
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for
I'm gonna get the end of WKDN. WNG 704's turn to be absolutely crashed out.
till 8:45 p.m.
WKVP is done.
In excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact.
KIH's phone line, not as bad as yesterday, but it is.
Wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds.
If we get a quadruple header.
Include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, North Point State Park.
I'm going
Magazine
to absolutely
River,
go
Miller
insane if
Island,
they do a
Chester
quadruple
River,
header.
Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Towchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Dobbins Island, and Sandy Point State Park. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water
I don't
state
even know
below
if
deck
that was
is
North
possible,
Pools Island,
keep
to be
away from
honest.
ungrounded metal objects.
Quadruple header? Yup! Second quadruple header of this channel. And it's an SVR.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in
Oh.
southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7. The National Weather Service.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh, WNG's going off for it now.
storm warning for
I'm not gonna worry about them anymore.
Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Landenberg, or 8 miles north. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Hazard torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Radar indicated. Do not drive your vehicle. Evansville, Pawtucket, West Ocean, and Avondale.
Could this be the first quintuple header of this channel's history? I don't know.
There's gonna be a fourth round coming. There's another storm coming.
This might be the fifth. This might be the first quintuple header. Oh, no, I guess not.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds of ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Chester and Delaware, and Newcastle, Delaware.
Bro, this is gonna be a long compilation.
That part.
To the
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. Source. Highways, streets, flooded paths, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Newark, Chester, Yadkin, Folcroft, Swarthmore, Newcastle, East Lansdowne, Newport, Wilmington Manor, and Chester Township. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for west central Atlantic, northeastern Cumberland, east central Salem, and southeastern Gloucester counties. At 7:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Olivet, or 8 miles northwest of Violent, moving vehicles. Be aware of snow in southeastern Pennsylvania until 11:45 p.m. At 7:38 p.m. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Remember, if you can hear close enough to be struck by lightning, torrential rainfall is flooding. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for east central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Delaware County,
Philadelphia County, right?
southeastern Montgomery County, and southeastern Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania, until midnight tonight. At 7:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. The expected rainfall rate
Is WURD.
Additional rainfall amount of 1 to 2 inches in the Warren area. Eastern Pennsylvania until midnight. The National Weather
base. There's not going to be an oopsie, and so I think in some ways that means that I spend a lot of my time thinking about like intentionality around parent.
Philadelphia. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 3 inches in 1 hour.
As ready for that as possible, also knowing that we're never ready and we're never prepared, and parenthood is unpredictable and you don't know what kind of kid you're going to get.
Pennsylvania.
That the most important thing is
You try one star?
Experiences are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash source radar. Impact flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Yaden, Conshohocken, Palmyra.
Shirley W. BYN should relay. Maybe WSDW? No.
As well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Yadkin,
Oh. Marine warning. I don't even care that much.
Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from Wilson to Drum Point, Maryland.
TV crossover.
Snake River, passing some river to Blue Island, Maryland. And the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 8:45 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Solomon Island, moving northeast at 39.
I have to turn this off. And also, I'm relocating the RXL. Flash flood warning.
Until midnight tonight. 8 p.m. Train weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing.
Oh, shoot.
National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning.
Another WSTW alert.
Instant literature can be yours when you give a donation as renewing your mind.
WKDN's going now.
Southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until midnight tonight. At 8 p.m. Train weather spotters.
Russian president saying he wants to go all the way.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly warning for northern Campbell County in northern Delaware, southeastern Chester.
It's about to start to rain in my house.
Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania.
This is WURD, thanks to it being in Philadelphia County.
Flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Source: train spotters reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams.
Source: train spotters.
Philadelphia,
Highways,
Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern
some locations that may experience flash flood. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: train spotters reported. Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood detectors.
The National Weather Service has issued a
Oh.
flash flood warning for Newcastle County, Delaware, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Chester, Delaware. Until tomorrow at midnight, the National Weather Service in Mount Holly has
Flood
issued
gas the current vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
southeastern Chester County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County, in southeastern Pennsylvania. Until midnight, Eastern Daylight Time.
And do not drive on flooded roads.
Daylight time. Train weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain, with numerous roads flooded in southeast Buck. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Uh-oh.
The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Okay, I guess WHYY is going to use the Craig voice.
Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
I'm not going to bother to get WNG 704. I might try it again. I'm just going to test it, but I don't believe they're available anymore at this point in my house. Yeah. Yeah, they're not consistent anymore.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
This is more feeling like a flooding event than a severe weather event at this point.
him, and I said, "Oh my God, I loved that dress. I still have that dress. Mom made it for me." Or I said, "Mom made that dress for me. I still have it. I do. I still have it." It's a little different.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 10:30 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 9 nautical miles southeast of Wharton Point to 18 nautical miles east of Chester River to 14 nautical miles east of Chalfont River, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Slaughter Beach, Cape Henlopen, East Point, Bowers Beach, Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Cape May Point, Myamal Light, Shipjohn Shoal Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Reedy Point, Fortesk Beach, Sea Breeze, Epatch Island, and Cross Ledge Light. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Right.
The following is a severe...
For our house. Right. Luke, turn that down.
Here's the thunder in the back.
Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Newcastle County in northern Delaware,
Oh.
northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey.
That's me. WEA is going off.
Flash flood warning is in effect for this area until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order.
This is not good. Not good. Not good at all. Not good.
32 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms. Heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey until 12:30 a.m. At 8:32 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Amounts of 2 to 3 inches are rainfall in the Warren area. Flash flooding is
I wonder if WURD is going to go off.
The brilliant propagandist in charge of essentially...
Hey, nothing, I'm just calling you back. I'm making sure you're okay. You're okay.
West Deptford, Pennsville, and Belmore. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Okay, that's what I was going to ask. I don't know what that is.
What about WHYY?
Burlington County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Northwestern Salem County in southern New Jersey until 12:30 a.m.
I love that song, bro.
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
Imagine Dragons.
Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing.
Somebody else has...
Mom.
You can turn it. You can turn it.
800.
Somebody else.
Thunderstorms.
WP.
Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of lakes and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Camden, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Mount Laurel, Chester.
Oh shoot, I turned off WHYY.
I'm sure on Friday I'm going to cry too. Like, you know, I'm got tears in my eyes just thinking about it.
Like when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Right. I said there hasn't been a day. Since being told that I thought. I said I'm just going to...
KI's tornado alert, and oh no, there's a tornado warning now. I don't know where. Oh great, we have a tornado warning. I'm stupid of opening this window.
Western Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
Oh, okay.
Northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 9.
Okay, I think my house got lucky a little bit. WSTW should relay shortly. Alright, we have a tornado warning now. Where's my other... I'm not gonna worry about that. Which one?
The National Weather Service
WSTW's going, WKVP's already going.
Avoid with. That's actually an oak.
Newcastle County.
Bruh, are you serious?
Moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
I know.
WSTW's already done?
I know it is.
Alright, AM.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Affect people's wallets.
Locations impacted include Middletown, Massey, Delaney Corner, and Townsend. Take cover now. Move to a basement or
Flash flood warning now. I'm in the middle of catching a tour.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Mercer County and central New Jersey, northwestern Burlington County.
Alright, another flash flood warning for me.
In southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County, and southeast.
And that's WURD. Flash flood warning for Philadelphia County.
Gap Chevy has over 80 certified pre-owned cars and trucks starting under $13,000. Some with rates as low as 3.9%. Boom! You're gonna win in WinGap.
Visit WinGap Chevy, sections off Route 33 and 512.
I'm just gonna wait for them to relay the tornado warning now. Flood warning. Huh? Philadelphia County?
Flood warning in effect from this evening to late tomorrow morning. What? Moderate flooding is forecast. Where? Red Clay Creek at Wooddale. When? From this evening to late tomorrow morning. Impacts. At 5.5 feet, flooding begins in adjacent open fields. At 7.5 feet, Barley Mill Road begins to flood. Brandywine Springs Park floods. At 8.5 feet, flooding begins near Old Capitol Trail and Newport Road. At 10.0 feet, West Rolling Mill Road floods. Creek Road between Piles Ford Road and Wayne Road is closed due to flooding. Additional details. At 9:15 p.m. Wednesday, the stage was 5.7 feet and rising. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 9.5 feet late tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 7.0 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 9.5 feet on July 28, 1968. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. The current time is 9:32 p.m.